Welcome to Loosalu Bog. We've come here during winter and we've gone off-road, off the beaten, actually there's a beaten track here, but off the wooden path. Let's see what Loosalu Bog has to offer. Stay tuned. It's actually really cool to walk out of the comfort of the wooden path. Makes you feel like you're in proper wild nature, despite the fact that there are actually quite a lot of people around. It's a snowy day, it's a Sunday, so of course even the lesser known bogs such as Loosalu have lots of visitors. But when you come off the wooden path, I mean, almost feels like nature. But actually, Loosalu is a great bog to visit if you want to walk a little bit as well. The wooden path, the trail here is quite long. Usually there aren't a lot of people, and actually even today there were like in total maybe 10 or so cars here with quite a lot of people. But again, the bog is really huge. If it's winter and it's a bit freezing, then you can also easily walk outside of the trail. If you do, of course, watch where you step, because some areas may be less frozen than others and you may not see any lakes. And also, if you do walk outside the path, make sure you have proper hiking boots or Wellingtons. You have proper hiking or ski pants as well, to make sure that you don't get wet. And a proper jacket is also nice, especially in cold weather when you might get wet and you could get a cold otherwise. But definitely visit Loosalu Bog and some other bogs that I've shown and will show in the future. What else can I say, man? Come out here, come out. I appreciate you watching this. I know that probably it's not the best quality compared to maybe some other YouTubers out there, but I'm trying my best. Hopefully I'm teaching you at least a few new places to visit, maybe just entertain you a little bit, and I hope to improve. If you have any feedback or anything, let me know. That way I know what I need to work on.